Hello my dear students. In the last class I have explained you what is plasma membrane and its characteristic. One characteristic I have explained you, which is diffusion, the gaseous exchange from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. One more characteristic is there. Water exchange is also there. Water exchange from the higher region of concentration to the lower concentration is known as osmosis. Higher concentration to lower concentration through semi-permeable membrane in cell means if the concentration of water is more acidic, means the concentration of acid is high, so it will move from the higher concentration to the low. Acid to dilute movement will take place, and if the water is more dilute, means the concentration is dilute and it will move from dilute to acidic. Osmosis means the movement of water molecules through semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis from the higher region of water concentration through a selectively permeable membrane to a region of low water concentration to maintain or balance the equilibrium. There are three types of solution: hypotonic solution, isotonic solution and hypertonic solution. So what is hypotonic solution? In the hypotonic solution, the medium which is surrounding the cell having the higher water concentration, means water molecules are more than the acid molecules, and inside the cell acid molecules are more than the water molecule. So here the exchange of water molecules will take place between cell and water, and cell will become swell up, and this process is known as hypotonic solution, means the solution is more dilute. Like in this diagram you can see, this is the cell which is kept in a beaker and surrounded by water. In this the water molecules are more, the concentration of water molecule is more, so it will move inside the cell and cell will become swell up. Now what is isotonic solution? Isotonic solution in which the concentration of water inside the cell and outside the cell in the medium are equal, either dilute or acidic. The movement of water will be equal. The same amount of water will enter into the cell and same amount of water will go outside from the cell. So there will be no exchange from higher concentration to lower or lower concentration to higher. In this the size of cell will be same. So this solution is known as isotonic solution. There is no equilibrium needed because it is already equilibrium. Now hypertonic solution means the medium which is outside the cell having low water molecules and more acidic molecules, means the solution is acidic, and inside the cell water molecules are more than acid molecules, so the water will move out and the cell will become shrink. As you can take the example of resins. When you soak the resin in water, they will swell, and after some time when it get dry, it will shrink, means it will lose the water. So that's all for today. Have a nice day everyone. Stay safe.